Hello. Yeah, I'm working on the '08 Sonata. Gonna do the air cabin filter. Here, show. It's luckily fairly easy to get to. But there's just figured I'd show you that. Just few should just take a few minutes. I haven't replaced it so before. But yeah, let me show you in here. And the first thing is this cover here. I think it's the first time where it's been a while since this has been off. I haven't taken off, but so it's pretty tight. Oops, or it could just fall. But yeah, so it's a little snug. I'm gonna just show you. See, this is the clips. Okay. Yeah, there's a couple clips there. And, so anyway, so the first thing is there's a little piston in here. So you just have to pull that off. As far as it, let's see if I can get it. Yeah. See, yeah, it just slides right off. That's it. And then that lets this open more. Let's see, I think there's clips on each side. So I'll just put it down for a second. Yeah, I think there's let's see. Yeah. That's it. So you can see the rubber stoppers. This might be the first time this has been lowered like this. So you just got to pull in. Just got to pull in from each side, both sides at the same time. And then that's it right there. Let's see. Oh, strong. Oh, anything else in there? Oh. Yeah, I don't know. Find out how those. Oh, okay. I think what it looks like you got to do is see these two here. You just squeeze them together. Yeah, you just squeeze these together on both sides at the same time. That's what that looks like. I thought you separate them, but you just pull them together. So, let's see. You can do that. Yep, that's it. You squeeze these. Whoa. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm guessing this is original. Look at that. Wow. Oh, man. Wow. Oh, yeah. I think I'm going to need the vacuum. So that's the blower motor right there, the fan. And wow. Well, I am in the desert. I'm in New Mexico, so I think either way, though, of course, you're going to get leaves and different things. But, I mean, I could see a lot of dirt and dust and stuff, but leaves and, yeah, I guess you don't know what you're going to get. But, yeah, so that's it right there. Yeah, I got to clean this up. I'm going to grab the vacuum, and then I'm just going to kind of wipe it down with the Armor All. Yeah, so that's the old dealie right here. Wow, that thing is like black. Oh man, yeah, it's stuck in there. Yeah, I never would have thought. This is obviously original. Yes, I got 129,000 miles now. Putting on the miles going to work, so. But yeah, so that's just a little cage. So I'm gonna wipe all this down. That is pretty wild. Yeah. So I'll show you the new one here. Yeah, so the new one I got from Rock Auto. There's the part number right there. Yeah, it's from Rock Auto. I got the cabin filter and then the air filter for $20 shipped. So that's a pretty good deal. Yeah. So obviously, yeah, it's really white. Yeah, I mean, look at the difference. Well, I mean, you kind of know right away, yeah, that this one's hammered. So the white one, yeah. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to clean everything up. Just slide this in place. And then just slide it, just to reverse. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, so before I put it back, I went ahead and vacuumed a little bit. But, let's see. What I'm going to do is, just to check and see if anything. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the blower motor on there. And this way it's going to blow anything out of there. Yeah, so just kind of did that before I put it back together. So the leaves and whatever else is, it's definitely cleared out. So yeah. Alright, so I just figured I'd just show you the new one in there rather than just having it all together. So yeah, it's easy. You can see like the little clips here. And you just kind of push it that side, and then the other side they slide under it slides under the clips. And yeah, so that's the bottom. That's going to be the bottom. And that's the top. I mean, you know, it comes out the way it goes in the way it came out, but in case you forgot or here to show it. So yeah, so went ahead and wiped everything. Okay, that's it. And then it should just snap in place. That's it there. Yeah, it'll obviously be a lot better. And then for the door, probably I'll squeeze these again to shut it on the sides. Yeah. Okay. All right. Camera stopped for a second. Turned off. So that's it, like that, and then the little piston there. Yeah, that little piston just needs to be. Yeah, so I think I'll just close the glove box there, and be able to slide the piston on. Little dealy. Yeah, that's pretty easy to do there. Yeah, you can see that slides on and off easily. Alright. And then of course I took the stuff out of the glove box, so put that stuff back in. Yeah, that's it there. It's good to go. And let's see. Yeah, so this is the air filter. Regular air filter. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to see, but yeah, it is dirty. Nothing like the cabin one, but because this one's easier to get to, I guess. So, or people don't think about the cabin filter. I think that's a part of it too. So yeah, this is that's a Bosch one. Pretty nice. Not too expensive, so. And then, yeah, the air, I mean, just in case, you know, you haven't done it before or whatever. But what I do is I loosen this up that goes to the throttle body. I just loosen that so I have some wiggle room. And then there's clips right there, there. the back, and then the other side here, there's a clip. You just lift it up, and let me just do it. It's so easy to do. But yeah, so you see it's pretty snug. So when you loosen it from the throttle body, it gives you more room. But yeah, you can see in there, the white one. And so what I do is when I take it out, I wipe the inside with Armor All. And if there's leaves or something, you can blow them out or vacuum them out. But yeah, that's usually what I do. Just make sure it's clean. Good airflow. Yeah, and let's see if I'm gonna be able to get the clip here easily. Yeah. All right, so that's the 4 clips. Yeah, that's about it there. All right, thanks for watching, subscribing.